Hi, this is Mr. Holding. This video is just on how to do linear regression using your scientific calculator. Okay, so I'll go through it fairly quickly. So I've got my made up set of data here. So bivariate, meaning two variables. My x variable, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and my y variable, I made them up 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7. So they're linked there. You'll notice here I've got some equation. I'll explain this a bit further, but we've got our basic equation for a line is y equals mx plus c, but I'm going to have to explain because in the calculator they do it differently, but I'll show you as we go. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put our data in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to hit mode and hit 2 for statistics. Okay, now I've got some options here. You'll notice one is one variable and 2 is a plus bx. We'll notice we want two variables here, so we're going to hit 2. This basically means the equation is y equals a plus bx. You'll notice down here, I've listed that there, y equals a plus bx. That's the equation for your line, but I suppose you're asking, hang on, you just said that y equals mx plus c is the equation. It's the same thing. So a plus b is the same, bx is the same as bx plus a. Notice I've just swap them around. Okay, so y equals bx plus a looks very similar to y equals mx plus c, just we've replaced m and c with b and a. Okay, so your gradient is b and your y-intercept is a, and so I put those two together so they make a bit of sense. So I'm going to click 2 and we've got this, so I'm going to go put them in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then my y-intercept is going to be 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, so I've just copied these straight in there in my x and y. And now I'm going to press AC. And it's going to clear, but don't worry. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm going to go Shift 1 because I want statistics. All right, so I get this here and I want my regression line. Okay, so it's 5. Okay, so here are my options. Now remember, I want to work out, in order to solve my equation, I want to know my gradient and I want to know my y-intercept. So remember, m is the same as b. Okay, so m is the gradient, so therefore b is the gradient. All right, so I want to know what's my gradient in this case. So it's 2. All right, so my gradient is 1.05. Okay, clear. I'm going to go Shift Statistics, and I'm going to get my c-intercept. All right, so that will enable me to do my equation. Now, I'm going to solve it. I'm going to go y equals 1.0571 times x plus 0.133333, and that's my equation. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Enabled you to do it because you need to know how to do this, and next year, or in year 11 and 12, you'll need to know how to do it this way.